Oh, hey, buddy.
What's up, buddy?
Today,
What we doing today?
we're in 3D.
Wait.
No,
My eyes. I
yeah,
can't see.
No, it's okay.
No, it's hurting my
I'm gonna
pupils.
turn it off.
Oh.
I'm gonna turn it off.
Oh my goodness.
It's off.
Dang.
You good? You all right?
No, I'm not all right.
Sorry, man. I just thought I'd try something new. New? 3D ain't new.
Okay.
You have a point there, but whatever. Anyway, right now we're messing with this milliput. Milliput? Oh, I like that stuff.
Oh.
I thought you was in pain. You thought I was gonna be complaining the whole show? Yeah, pretty much. Whatever, man. So what are we doing with the milliput? Well, buddy, we're gonna make a seat for the rat.
Oh, okay.
And as a disclaimer, I didn't really want to do this video.
Okay.
But I had all this extra footage on my camera and on my phone, and it was like a whole big ordeal. And I didn't even use the seat after I finished it. I had to make another one, but whatever. Are you okay, buddy? Yeah. Why you ask me that?
Never mind.
So after the milliput dried, it actually just cured. It didn't really dry because it wasn't wet. But
it ain't wet.
Yeah, that's what I said. But anyway,
you said
after
dried.
the milliput cured, I was able to sand it to a shape that I
That looks
felt
really
more
nice.
comfortable with, and I fine-tuned it so that it could fit on the floor over that transmission hump.
Yeah.
Pretty good. So you said you didn't use this seat? Nope.
So why would you make this?
Well, genius, how would I know I wasn't gonna use this
Genius?
footage?
No.
As I was
No.
making it. No, not why did you do this? Why did you make this video?
Oh.
Because you could have just cut all this out. You're right, huh?
Yeah.
Maybe I should just speed through the rest of this. That's a good idea. Just speed through the rest of it. All right. And should I make it a little dramatic looking? Yeah, and put a clock on it. You should make all your videos like this. Really? Anyway, now that we got that out the way, let's work on this floor. And what about the seat? Seat? What seat?
What seat?
Relax. You'll get to see the seat. Don't worry. But anyway.
Okay.
So, I got this sheet of street signs, and as you can see, they're on metal. It's real metal. Speed limit 200. Yeah, 200 miles per hour. Yep. He must be on a moped. Okay. Are you done? Yeah, I'm done. Great. So, I'm going to get these signs all cut out, and then I'm going to bend them to the shape that I need. Okay. And, I'm just test fitting right now.
I got you.
I'm not sure how I want to put them on.
Oh, that's easy.
Just use your hands, man.
But, why would you use your feet?
Yeah, once I get them all bent up and everything, I'll just glue it on, with some super glue.
Oh,
that should work.
Yeah. Or you can use super glue. That'll work.
So now, I think I got the shapes down,
shaped up.
and there's these seats that I won't be using.
Oh, it looks nice.
With the floral pattern.
Yeah,
I mean, it looks
a
nice.
floral
Don't
pattern.
get me wrong. I just decided not to go with it. If you look down there in the corner, that back, the seat back, is the actual part that I'm going to use for the seat bottom and the new seats. I'm just going to cut it in half to make it fit, because right now it's too wide. The doors won't shut. So I'm going to get that part down at the bottom.
Okay.
I'm going to cut it in half.
All right.
I'm going to make that the seat
Why you
bottom.
so aggressive?
Of course, I'm going to have to do a lot of sanding to it and everything.
Yeah, I know.
So, why'd you rust it up? Because I wasn't really sure if I was going to use the sign, but I know I wanted to rust the floor, so I went ahead and rusted it up. But, I mean, you can't hardly see any of the rust anyway with the signs and the seat, so it was pretty much a waste of time. Now, if I would have said that, you would have got mad. It's a lot of waste of time on this project. I'm agreeing from a distance. There's how it looks.
Oh,
I believe
okay.
that looks nice. That's the actual seat back from the beginning. See where I cut it in half? The one that you sped through, did my sanding on the bottom. I kind of like that I cut it in half, because now it looks like two seats as opposed to just one bench. Oh yeah, that's cool. It still has the bench back. Now I'm just touching it up with a burgundy marker, marking it up, and now I'm roughing it up, slashing it a little, distressing the fabric. Make it look old, ratty. Yeah, ratty. Yep. So I just keep picking at it until I get it how I want it. You really can't mess it up, because it is supposed to look like a rat rod seat. You act like you just didn't zoom through some footage that you messed up on. Good point. Thank you. But anyway, like I was saying, some rat rods have new looking seats. You can have a new looking seat in a rat rod, but a lot of them have ratty looking seats. And that's just what I got. But anyway, the dash. Dang, you just talked right through that, didn't you? Yeah, shut up. So, I got this dash from a 1947 or was it a 48? I think it was a 1999. I got it from a 47 or 48 Ford.
Okay.
I just borrowed it because it was nice.
You said that
like you got it from a real car. It did come from a real car. It came from a model.
Duh.
Oh, that was obvious. So I got these street rod gauges that I'll be using.
Okay.
I'm not going to use the bezels. I'm just going to use the actual the gauge.
Dang.
So there you can see I got it in. It's not glued in. That's why it popped out.
Yeah, obviously.
I was just test fitting. And here's my other one right here. And
Look at that circle you cut out.
yeah, I can't cut a circle real good, but it ain't gonna matter because you ain't gonna be able to tell.
I hope not.
So now I'm just gluing them in.
Wow.
As you can see, it's looking pretty nice.
Yeah, it do look nice.
So now I'm just doing a red wash over the dash. The little red in there.
Oh yeah, I see the red.
And that blue, I'm not
about
gonna
the
keep
blue?
it plain like that because it look kind of brand new.
I was just
I'm gonna go ahead and weather that up too. I'm
mean,
just
for
not
the
gonna
most
do it
part,
right
though,
now.
It look kind of good.
But that's what we're working with. So thanks for watching.
You're welcome.
Like, comment,
I
subscribe.
don't know about that.
Tell your friends, tell your family, tell
Huh?
people you don't know,
You done
tell
gone
your
crazy.
coworkers.
Peace.
Tell that dude.